Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying network and space. This is why many errors appear. Once you confirm Wi-Fi or mobile data loads a web page, free at least 500 megabytes, low storage blocks updates. Next, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. Press and hold power, choose Restart. After the reboot, open Play Store and watch for error messages. If it still fails, you've completed first-line prevention and are ready to move into deeper app and account checks. Once done with the restart, focus on the app layer because corrupted cache often breaks Play Store. You go to Settings, Apps, Play Store, then clear cache and, if needed, clear data. This resets local settings. Make sure to force stop both Play Store and Google Play services, then reopen Play Store so they reinitialize. Also check your Google account sync settings. If sync is off, toggle it on. These steps fix permission and corrupt data issues that block downloads and updates. To finish, roll back Play Store by uninstalling updates. This reverts to factory version, then update again from Play Store. If that fails, reset app preferences or specifically reinstall updates for Google Play services because version mismatches break functionality. As a final step, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. If Play Store works in safe mode, uninstall recently installed apps. One troubleshooting tip: if you see an error code, note it before search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.